Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click the bell icon so that you'll be updated as and when I bring the daily readings. Now, this is again pick a card. This is your card 1 and this is your card 2. I shall give you all a couple of seconds to decide on which card you want to take. Okay, so now card 1, the Chariot card, a beautiful card. It will be a mix of I would say good news and a little bit of sad news, I feel, for some. Now those who are looking for abroad opportunities, they can try today. There are chances that they will get. Work wise, there will be a lot of balance. I feel you will be able to balance your work and your personal life today. Overall, I feel it is good. But when I am, for me, the angel wings sign is being very prominent, so maybe you will be guided and you will be understanding how to sort out your work and where what work has to be done, and you will be in control of your day. When I say control of the day, basically whatever you have planned for today, all that will go according to the plan and all that will go according to how you wanted it to go, and you will be happy and satisfied that you were able to handle your day the way you wanted. Today, I would suggest start your day with having an apple, something red basically, or a pomegranate. So you can have an apple or a pomegranate and start your day. Today, you can wear the color blue because you need calmness and serenity to analyze the things around you. This is what I feel. And today, chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times and start your day. And also, I will be giving you the affirmation what you need to do today. So you will start your day with the affirmation which I am giving and followed by Om Namah Shivaya 108 times. And also you can have an apple or a pomegranate. So today, and that's again another 108 times. So maybe Baba is wanting you to do something detailed. But this is for your evening. So maybe once you come back, chant Om Sai Ram holding a red rose and then keep this rose on your bedside. It will heal you throughout the night. That's a beautiful message which Baba is giving you all. So maybe start your morning with Om Namah Shivaya and a red apple, and in the evening once you're back, chant Om Sai Ram having a red rose. It is okay even if you have a button rose or a rose from your garden, just some red or pink colored rose, have it in your hand and say Om Sai Ram and keep it in your bedside. Next day morning you can again put it back in your plants, and I'm sure Baba is going to heal you throughout the night. Now the card 2, members who have taken the card 2. Now that's 7 of cups, lot of options. You need to really analyze and decide how your day will go. Too much happening around you. You might feel confused, you might feel chaos, you might not understand what to do. So for that, what I would suggest is, if there is an imbalance in your energies and if you feel a lot of things are not falling in place, wear something in light green today, and if possible or wear something in blue today. I would suggest wear something in blue today, and if possible have some fruits green color, either a green apple or a green kiwi, so that the balancing of the energies is practically happening and you will feel happy that it is happening. And also today what you can do is you can also chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times in the morning. I would suggest have a bath with rock salt water also, so that your day goes positively and you are able to balance your energies. It can be even physical and emotional energies. It can be balancing work at home and office. So it will be balanced. So wear something in blue and eat something in green today. Now your mantra chanting will be Om Shri Sainathaya Namaha. You can do this 21 times, as it's not mentioned 108 times, so 21 times will also be sufficient. So the mantra will be Om Shri Sainathaya Namaha. Have a blessed day ahead. God bless you all. Thank you.